to my channel. I hope you guys have been good. Even during this lockdown, I am going insane. Don't forget to do all these small things. Subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. But for today's video, I am going to do a DIY tie-dye at home with bleach. Let me show you. Bleach, you're going to need bleach. You're going to need a fork and some elastics, and obviously, of course, your tops, whatever tops you need. I'm going to use some old tops just to see how it's going to turn out. Guys, this is going to be my first time doing a tie-dye at home. I've seen a lot of videos and it comes out super cool. You get the spiral one and then you get the one where the spots is all over. I wanted to use this top, but then I thought, what if I mess it up and then... So without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, this is the scrunchy way. So I'm going to start here at the bottom. This is a normal one without the fork. So you scrunch like this. At the end you scrunch and you scrunch until you have the entire top section scrunched. Basically like this. Leave the arms out. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Like this. Leave it like that. Then for the arms, you're scrunching anyway, this way or that way. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Like that. This arm, scrunch it in. Like this. Then you take your elastics. I threw my bleach in an old sunlight bottle because I need an opening like this. Hopefully my elastics doesn't break. So I'm going to put the elastic on here first, just to secure the arms. And then the section. You can get help at home, brothers, sisters, uncle, omas, grandpas to help you. Guys, this is also my first time doing this and trying this at home. Oh no, where the first elastic goes. This is also my first time trying this, so don't judge me. So that's the first one. We're going to put it aside. Then for the second top, we're going to do it the spiral way. That was the crunchy way, and this is the spiral way. You can either place your top like this, out flat. You can either use your fingers and do the spiral in the middle like this, or you can take your fork and you can do this. You need to like literally place the fork in there to get that twist going. You see, the fork is just bringing it nicely together basically. Okay guys, you just continue twisting the fork. You will see it will come together on its own. Can you see the arms and everything else? So basically you're just placing this exactly the way the fork did it. Just like this. Take out the fork. I think I need to use the big elastics for this one. And now guys, I'm just going to continue adding more elastics. Okay guys, so now this is our spiral one, eh? Place it in, throw bleach on. I think I'm going to close mine a small bit, like this. It's still too much. Throw the bleach over everywhere. You're supposed to use glove, guys, because bleach is strong. It can damage your skin. I don't have gloves. If you do have gloves at home, please use gloves. Or just try not to really touch it. See what you can do. Guys, as you can see, the color is already starting. The videos that I watched, people leave it on between 3 to 6 hours or 3 to 5 hours. So when I'm done here, I'm going to leave it on for that hours, around about 4 hours, depending. You can just watch how the color comes out. Turn it around and do the exact same on the opposite side. So guys, if this is done, it needs to stand, like I said, for plus minus 3 to 4 hours. Let's say 3 to 4 hours. Like for example, look at this. I don't think this will need a lot of hours, definitely not. So I'm going to check it, and then afterwards I will show you guys how I rinse it. I'm going to rinse it twice, and then I'm going to wash it as normal, and then I will show you tomorrow how the end product looks. Okay guys, I'm going to let it stand, wash it out, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow for the results. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Let me just tell you what I did to the t-shirts. Okay, so I kept the bleach on for around about 2 hours. Only 2 hours because it took very quick. So it wasn't necessary for 4 to 6 hours, depending on the type of, the color of the shirt basically. So I left mine on for 2 hours, and then I took off the elastics, and then afterwards I rinsed it twice. With clean water, you just rinse the bleach out twice. Then I wash it as normal, washing powder, and then you stay soft and you dry it overnight. So let me show you guys how it came out. So guys, this is the purple one. Let me stand up. This is the purple one. This is how the purple one came out. This one was supposed to be the spiral one, but I think it's because the elastics broke after the 2 hours. Then I checked up on the shirt, and then I saw some of the elastics broke. So your elastics must be tight, like, and you can put on more, like 2 or 3 on top of each other. I don't know if you guys can see, like for example, here's the middle, and then you have this. Then you have this print. Also, I took off from the sleeves. I took off, and at the bottom I took this part also off. So this is the spiral one. It almost looks like a handprint if you look fast. Just look here. This looks like 4 fingers. And then this was the scrunchy one. This was the black t-shirt. That's how this one came out. Okay, so let me show you guys how it looks on. This is how it looks on. I took off at the bottom. Oh, you can check the arms. This is how it looks at the back. you guys want to, you can even show off, like for those that have perfect stomachs. I do not. You can even cut it even further than this, and then you can have something at the back with a hair tie if you want. And this is basically how this one came out. Let me show you how the other one looks like. Okay guys, this is the other one. You can see the arm. This is the one that we scrunched at the bottom and we took it in. That's how it looks at the back. I changed my pants to a brown pants, so I will show you guys first how it looks. Ooh. Now I will show you guys how it looks if I roll the sleeves up a bit and if I tuck it in my pants. There we go guys, this is how it looks when I tuck it in the pants and I roll the sleeves up a bit. And that's how it looks. Okay guys, so I am pretty happy with the way it came out. As you guys can see, that's all you need is basically 2 old t-shirts, elastics and bleach of course, and then you do the spiral way, but you need to make the spiral one, you need to have your elastics on more. You can add more elastics and it must be tighter. That's basically to get that full spiral effect. And the scrunchy one, you don't really need a lot, you just scrunch from the bottom up. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also comment below or on my social media platforms. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, by my page Little Rubies, Twitter, even on TikTok. If you guys attempt this at home, please tag me in photos. If you do it, for those of my close friends that have me on WhatsApp, you can also contact me on WhatsApp. I would love to see how you guys t-shirts come out. And you can tie-dye anything. You can even tie-dye pants. So in future, if you want more tie-dye videos, I'm going to try with one of my or 2 of my old pants that I have at home, with tracksuit pants that I have. I will definitely do that. So give this video a like. Also subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Until next time.